Hello everyone. In the previous session, we started working with two text boxes. Now in this session, again, we are going to work with two text boxes. I'm going to create a small program wherein if I enter something here in the first text box and when I click this button, the value should copy from here to the second text box, right? So I have my two text boxes. txt1 will be the one where I would be entering the string. txt2 will be the one where I will copy the value from txt1, right? So first thing we'll do is to create a variable which is going to hold the value of the first text box, right? So the value of the first text box is copied to the variable a. Now, if you want to copy something to a text box, you need to put in that entire DOM hierarchy to the left of the assignment statement. So this is what I am going to write in. So which text box am I interested to assign the value to? I want to assign the value or store something or show something in the second text box. So that is what I'm going to refer to on the left hand side. And what do I want to assign it with? The value which is stored in A, right? So this is a very simple definition. Let me show you how it works. Right, so when I click here, you can see the value got transferred, not transferred, copied. Now, if you actually want that this value should transfer from here to here and this should be emptied out, then you need to add in explicitly one more statement which empties the value of the first text box, right? So for the first text box, I'm going to assign it a empty string. So once you do that, after copying the value from txt1 to txt2, it is also going to remove the value from the first text box. Okay, let's see. So there it is. So now what you can do is you can create one more button and create one more function. And when I click the second button, it should actually call that second function and transfer the value from here to the first text box. So you will have two buttons to work with. First copies the first text box to the second one, and the second button copies the second text box value to the first one. That's all for today. In the next session, I will go ahead with strings again.